Hello everyone, today we are going to solve move zeros. In this problem we are given an input array and we have to iterate all the zeros to the last position, maintaining the current order of the array. Means those values are non-zero. So there are two approaches to solve this. First we start with the brute force approach, in which we take a vector so that we can store the non-zero values in that, and it will be temporary vector of size n, where n is the size of vector. So first I will take the size of vector, that will be num dot size. Now we'll take a variable j equal to 0 to keep track of the index in temporary vector. So we loop over the vector from 0 to the size of vector, and while iterating we check if there is non-zero value, so we simply copy it in the temporary vector. After copy all the non-zero values, we have to fill all the values with the 0. So while j is less than n, we have to fill, so we do j plus plus in temporary vector and we fill with 0. And at last, since the return type is void, we have to change the original vector. So we iterate over the temporary vector. Both sides are same, so we iterate from 0 to n and we simply copy the temporary value in the original vector. Let's run this code, submit it. Its time complexity will be big O of n and the space complexity will be big O of n, since we are using the extra space. Now the optimal solution will be, we take a pointer to track the position for next non-zero element, and then we swap the values. And instead of taking two for loops, like iterating over 2 times, the optimal solution works in single for loop. So let's remove this code, this also. Now we have to check if nums of I is not equal to 0, since we have to take the non-zero element and we have to swap. So we swap with nums I and the variable count, the count pointer, and after this we have to move the pointer to the next position. So we do count plus plus. We also have to take a variable count that will point at 0. Let's run it, submit it. Its time complexity will be big O of n and the space complexity is big O of 1. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.